All right, good afternoon. Matt Hanson from Duraplas. We're on a right-of-way inspecting our TuffStands. We're on a section that was just lowered in. This is several miles of pipe. You can see if you look down this right-of-way, we've got lots of stands, lots of skids. What we're going to show you is we strongly encourage you to inspect the stands before you put them back in the stacks and reuse them. So on this project specifically, we've had some challenges with elevation. We've had some cracks in a specific area. It's all been an install issue to this point, but the main thing is we have to inspect these. So I'm going to walk up on this stand, and it's really simple. All I'm going to do is kick it over like this, and I'm looking for cracks. If you're going to see one, it's going to happen right here, running with the pipe in this corner. So we'll walk on up past this skid section now, and we'll just do one more. If you see a visual crack there, it will show up and you will call that stand. So let's go look at this one just right up here, and we'll just do the same process. I've walked probably, I don't know, a half mile at this point and flipped a bunch of stands, and I actually found two that had a minor crack in them. And again, that was really a byproduct of installation. We fought some elevation challenges on this job. And again, we're just inspecting, and I'm looking at this point, I'm looking at this point. But the first thing we should do before we put these stands back in a stack to go back on the right of way, the cleanup crew has to flip them over and look at them just like this. The ones we did find with a crack look perfect. There's no distortion, there's nothing wrong with them. Again, that crack occurred due to installation issues with elevation in this project, and you can't tell it unless you flip over and look. So again, walk up to it one last time. We'll demonstrate it. Okay, my pipe was just on here. They just lowered it in. I'm the cleanup crew. And I'm going to look. No cracks. That one's good to go.